Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to start important messages on your Google messaging app in your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open the messaging app on your phone. After opening, open the chat conversation like this. After opening guys, if you want to start any of message from the conversation, so just tap and hold on that message, and here on the top right side corner of your screen you can get one star icon. As you can see, just tap on it. It will add it to your favorite section on your messaging app. So in case in future if you want to access that star message on your phone, so on the top right side corner you can get three dots, just tap on it, and here you can get the option start, just tap on it, and in this section you can get your all star messages on your phone, as you can see. So this is the easy and very simple method to save important messages on your phone. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.